Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Physics. A brief event in which two or more bodies come together. The collision of the particles resulted in an exchange of energy and a change of direction. Hit. A conflict of opposed ideas or attitudes or goals. A collision of interests. An accident resulting from violent impact of a moving object. 3 passengers were killed in the collision.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.